Bum, bum, bum. Oh, we did actually take profit, lads. What is going on? Keep fucking getting issues. There you go. We're up and running again. We did cut off. Fuck knows what happened there. We're back. Hit take profit, but fuck's sake. What's going on here? Fucking hell, man. What the fuck? What's going on? YouTube's glitching on me. Why is the chat not working? What the fuck is going on, bro? Oh, mate. Oh, mate. What is going on? Right, we've got a technical difficulty where I can't fucking, for some reason, I can't see the chat. What has happened? Let's look at the stream situation. See, that's all connected. So it's nothing to do with OBS. I don't know. I ain't got a fucking clue. Think Kick is connected, fine. So that's blessed. But for some reason, this ain't working. I don't know, bruv. I don't know. I don't know. Tell you what, let's maybe that's why there's a bit in there. See exactly what is going on, bro. Fucking hell. It's not gonna work, is it? Oh, it's back. Here we go. Fucking thing, man. Pop up chat. Let's bring the pop up up. Bring the pop up 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 up. And let's bring the kick back up. Actually, I want to delete that as well. So let's delete that. Get all this closed off. Delete that. Fucking dog is squeaking his toy, lads. Right, we're back. Technical difficulty, little minor glitch out for some reason. Just got it all back up and running. So happy days. If you are in the Kick or the YouTube, get involved, boys. Get the fuck involved. Trying to grow the account, and it's only you guys that can actually help me do that. So hit a beautiful, beautiful take profit, 2% today. Fucking happy days, mate. Happy days with that. Really happy with that. That's why it's all about patience. All about patience. I've moved away from the London Open. I normally wait for the first hour or so to actually play out. Like here, I didn't get the entry until around about 9:30. Sorry. So that's how we roll. That's how we fucking roll. It's all about patience. I've noticed my win rate has gone up massively just by not trading actual London Open or waiting a good two hours. So it works out perfect. So yeah, fucking killed it, mate. 2% a day. 4, 6, 7, 8. 8% up in the last 2 days. That's crazy. And then I got that trade as well, which was a 2-3. That's fucking savage, mate. Basically a 10% up. I've got to make another traders recap. Let's actually do that live on stream. Fuck it. Let me turn the music off. Let me actually record first. Would be a good idea. Start recording. Okay, team, and welcome back to another traders recap. I've just bagged a Euro US dollar 2%. So I'm actually on live stream, but I thought I might as well just record it now while I'm here. So here we are. Basically, higher time frame, we're bullish. So there's no point looking for shorts because, like I said, we are fucking bullish. We have now just come into the 50% of the daily range. So yeah, we can now kind of start watching to what's actually going to happen in the future. But at the minute, we're still bullish, so we've got to follow that momentum until otherwise. Higher time frame situation on this one is simply there's a low here, there's a high here. The reason why this is the low and this is the high, and people would say this is the high here because there's a down candle, la-di-la-di-la, is because there was no candle closure above these wicks. So this is the low that created the high here. Originally here, then we push up, we wick up, so this is our new high, and we push down, we push up, this is our new high. No candles closed above any of the wicks, so this is the low, and this is the height of our range until we get a candle closure to confirm that we have broke structure to the upside. So that's what you have to wait for. So if this hourly candle closes above here, then we will have a new range from this point to this point. But at the minute, we're still in this range until we actually get a candle closure. So that is the reason for buys. So as we pushed up, we created this new high, we impulsed to the downside, inducing sellers. So now this is called sellers to come into the market because we have impulsed to the downside. So if people are thinking now that we are going to retrace to the upside, continue to the downside, which is not the case because of this higher time frame range. This downward sell for me was to take out this liquidity area and this liquidity area here I had marked out. So that's all this sell-off was for. So going down into the lower time frame, obviously this morning we took out Asia highs and then we impulsed to the downside, taking out Asia lows, pushing sellers into the market. We create a little structure price action area here, and then we manipulate to the downside. We're below the 50% of that higher time frame range. We manipulate to the downside, taking out of that liquidity area that I was talking about, and then on the, you can see it here, but on the 5 minute impulse to the upside after taking that liquidity. Key information there, we impulse after the liquidity was taken. We impulse, broke structure, returns to this 5 minute and 15 minute demand zone. I didn't enter off that. Once we got a break to the upside here and we broke structure again, I then set my orders on this 5 minute demand zone here, which is highlighted, and then we literally got taken very quickly and then priced, injected to the upside. So that was a very simple trade today, just following order flow and momentum to the upside. Obviously, like I said, higher time frame wise, we are currently bullish, so we have to follow that momentum. And then all I did this morning, instead of looking for shorts, I just waited for price to come down below the 50% of the higher time frame range, and then I waited for the alignment to go and follow that bullish momentum. So once we aligned here with the higher time frame momentum, obviously this was our alignment point. Once we broke structure here, then I know now that our lower time frame has aligned with the higher time frame. We need to look for buys and we can continue that momentum. I could have obviously targeted the overall highs, but my strategy is I target for 2R, and that's what we got. So we got the 2R after the break of structure, returned to the first demand zone. I stayed patient because this could have just been some sort of fake out. Then we get a continuation break of structure to the upside, and then I entered off that return to that demand zone, and there was our clear targets hit. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Right, that's that video recorded, boys. We can put the music back on. Right, that's the breakdown of that video trade today. Happy days, lads. Come on. Yeah, so if you was involved in that video, then you got a free breakdown of the trade, which actually goes out to all my group members. That's not for free, so yeah, you got that one for free, lads. And if you don't follow me, please follow me. I'm just started out live streaming over this year, so I want to try and grow members and start building this these channels, as I am a profitable and full-time trader. So why not try and break out into that content creation market? Why the fuck not, eh? Just need to get some clippers on board. Get some boys clipping the shit. Fucking, what's my shit? Someone just asked me for my kick and I don't fucking know. What is it? Oh, fucking hell, what have I done there? Look at that reaction as well. Profit was taken and we have literally spun. So that's fucking one of the reasons as well why we also need to make sure that we take fucking only out 2% if that's what our targets are. We could have obviously got 3%, but, or just about, yeah, we would have got 3%, but my target's always 2%. And that is one of the main reasons why I only go for 2%. Because of shit like that. Flips happen so quickly. And people are like, oh, but your bias was wrong, It's like, my bias was right because I got the trade. So fuck your bias, because my bias was right. I got my stream health. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming, such as viewers will experience buffering. We'll fucking sort it out then, bruv. What's going on? I'm having a lot of issues today with streaming, lads. It seems like Kick's alright, but YouTube's fucking not. It's not working for some reason. Fuck knows why. It's probably as soon as I've done that recording though, as soon as I made that recording. Which is weird, isn't it? I don't know. I don't fucking know, mates. It's all. Fuck knows, mate. Kick's working though, so if you are buffering on YouTube, come to Kick. Go to Kick. Because this one's not working for some reason. Yeah, fuck knows, mate. I ain't got a fucking clue. I ain't got a fucking clue. I ain't got a fucking clue. Oh. I ain't got a fucking clue. There's not really much reason for me to stand stream now. We banged that fucking two our trade. So what now? Oh, we've got New York opening. Oh, fucking an hour, so there's no point even worrying about that. I ain't sitting on here for an hour. Fucking 2 hours. What I'm talking about is 11:30, boy. 1:30 it opens. Fucking good trade, man. Really happy with that one. No. By the way, guys, if you are trading prop firms, E8 Market, we have a discount code down in the bottom corner. Maximum discount available. Just use the code CMCAP in capitals. And when I say maximum discount available, it's basically whatever discount E8 Market's put on, whether there's a 50%, a 20%, 30%, whatever it is, whatever purchase you make, just use the code CMCAP and you will get that maximum discount that is available on that specific challenge. So you haven't got to go hunting for a new code for like a 20% off or 5% off or 20% off or 30% off or whatever it is. You haven't got to hunt for a new code. My code will just give you the maximum discount that is currently available on the website. So yeah, use that. purchase account. I recommend E8 accounts because E8 Signature, they are very good. E8 Signatures are very good, but when it comes to being funded, there's a lot more restrictions. And one sec, what's that? Yeah, there's a lot more restrictions and rules that you need to complete and get past to make a payout, where E8's a lot more relaxed and a lot more freedom. But that's the reasonings why E8's a bit more expensive compared to E8 Signature, obviously. So E8 Signature's a reason for you to get in. You can get a higher leverage account, a 250k account, 100k account for a lot cheaper than what it would cost you for an E8 account. But with E8 it's more expensive for the reasons of it being a lot more relaxed. So E8 Markets, code CNCAP. Let's check YouTube, see if it's still shit. I think we're back to good health. I was not even connected, bruv. Fuck. Yeah, that's not good, is it? Yeah, that was weird, man. So YouTube's just disconnected because it's fucking shit. YouTube's dead when it comes to streaming. Like, it's well buggy, man. But it says that I'm live, which is weird. Oh, so I am live. Just had to reset my account. Fucking hell. Yeah, YouTube's dodge, mate. Dodgy. But if I actually go to my... Let's do a paper trade, boys. I reckon we're short in here. What have we got? What have we got available? We've got an inverted... We've got a fair value gap here. If we invert that, we'll take some fucking imaginary sells. Imaginary! We're up 10.3% for the week as well. That's fucking my best week in a long time. The markets have been crazy good this year. Not this year, sorry, this week. Got 7 seconds. 3, 2, 1, close, bosh. Stops at this high. We want to target a 2R. We'll push it to the lows, push it to London lows, fuck it. Push it to London lows, let's see what happens. Where the fuck's my chat things gone? Gotta bring that one up. Where's a YouTube one? This is just a paper trade, by the way, guys, so don't get too excited or copy, fuck's sake. This is just a mess about testing the shit, you know what I mean? And the reason why I am looking at this short is because now we have swept out previous daily high. Well, we've done that this morning, but we swept out London highs now as well. So we've swept out all these highs. We didn't close above this high, which is one of the main reasons. So we've swept this out, and now we could expect a push down now. A lot of consolidation has formed. We're in a daily fair value gap here. We've spiked above the 50% of the daily range now as well. So now we can expect a continuation. The way this 15-minute closed as well, it closed super bearish, breaking this structure here. So we've actually broke this area here. So liquidity sweats, impulse to the downside, broke structure, and then we're pulling back up. We've pulled all the way back up. So if you're looking at this range here, from here to here, we've come above the 50% already on that. So we are potentially looking for a rollover to the downside, and that is the reason why I'm looking at short positions. And that's why that looks a bit more tasty to me. We completed the buy move to the upside, and now overall looking for a sell-off. But this is only a paper trade. This is more of a guessing game, by the way. I don't really trade inversions as much as fucking supply and demand, so this is more than likely gonna fucking go wrong. This is just a fun trade. This is our winning trade. This is just a fun mess about trade, because we're done for the day anyway. We're not even trading New York. We don't need to trade New York. We're done for the day, so this is just a paper trade. Mess about ting. Mess about ting. Pull back the skin. Mess about ting when you pull back the skin. Oh, fucking hell. I've actually got to fucking make that traders recap as well. Well, I've made the traders recap. I've got to fucking upload it. Let's get. Fuck you. And this is here why I don't really trade inversion fair value gaps, boys. Fucking hell. Oh, what one's one from earlier? Shit. Third. Is it this one? not that one. Let's just close that down. Is it this one? Yes, this is the one. So I need this one. You see, that's why I don't trade in versions, mate. Push them to the side, mate, because shit gets too complicated. Let's save that. TR2, let's go. Traders recap. Oh, oh. Oh, fucking hell, sticky nutsack. Let's switch up a bit. Where is that thingy track? Bam, 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 bam. Poison. There's something I just don't like about this song. Don't like it. Anything with that poison, mate, don't like it. Poison, bite, 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 bite. Should have stayed where it was. Yeah, this is a banger. No, save the nights. Move your body, move your body. Right. Right, I think I'm going to drop off anyway, kids, because this shit, I've done what I needed to do anyway. GU looks like a better short, to be honest. We've taken out London highs, we're still in this range here. We've actually broke structure here, because this is the low that created this high. We pushed down, broke structure, we've come above to 50%, but fucked about, we've taken London highs. GU set up way better for short positions, ain't gonna lie. Broke out of here, we are in this huge supply zone. Let's just take a short here, higher time frame short. Stops there, target to, let's see what we get.